You just received this COVID-19 rapid test. These are the items that you will find in the test kit. There's the swab that you will be using, the vial, a vial cap, and a test strip in this container. So the first thing you want to do is wash your hands. So there's some hand sanitizer here. The next thing you want to do is actually take the vial and remove this aluminum tap here and place it on the container. Then you want to take the swab and you want to insert it in one nostril and swab it at least 5 times. Then swab it in the next nostril, again 5 times. And then you want to insert it in this vial, all the way in, and also go around at least 5 times in the vial. And then push it against the vial so that the water that's on the tip of the swab can go back into the vial. Then place the swab here. Now you take the cap and the vial, put the tap on the vial, take the test strip, 3 drops right here, this here, and now you wait 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, you'll see on the test strip a letter C and a letter T. You will see a line appear, a blue line appear next to the C. That just confirms that the test strip is working. The letter T, if you even see a very light fainted line, that means that the result is positive. If your test is positive, you should inform your school and your primary care provider and isolate for 5 days. If your test is negative and you're not feeling well, you should take a PCR test to make sure. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.